All right, y'all. We got friends and family in the house. We're gonna make some chicken tortellini soup. Let's go. It looks freaking incredible.
That broth is amazing.
Flavor, and I mean flavor. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get all this prepped up and ready to roll. You guys are gonna love this soup. Chicken tortellini, it's been a long time since I made this one, and it is delicious. We're gonna use some white meat and dark meat. Also gonna use some celery, some carrots, some parsley, garlic, thyme, chicken stock, 5 cheese-filled tortellinis. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. I'm gonna get this ready to go. Let's go. All right, you guys, we got a hot pot. Let's go ahead and get some seasoning on the chicken here. At first, it's gonna be super simple. Just a little MSG and sea salt. Get that done right quick. All right, I'm gonna flip this over and get the other side, and we're gonna rock and roll. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get this chicken on. All right, all we're doing at this point is just getting a little bit of color on the chicken, give it a good sear. It's gonna cook in the soup for about 90 minutes until it's like super fork tender, so it'll be delicious. All right, you guys, this is what you're looking for color. We're gonna let the other side sear, and then we're gonna get our ingredients added in and let it roll for about 60 minutes. All right, you guys, it's time to roll. We're gonna get 8 cups of chicken stock added in here. Now, I do prefer Swanson's branded chicken stock. Have I made my own before? Absolutely. Is it super simple? Yes. However, I don't think most of you are gonna make your own chicken stock, but if you wanna see that video, let me know in the comments and I'll show you how. All right, last little bit here. All right, for ingredients. First thing first, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of Whyler's chicken powder. Now, the recipe will be in the comments below, so check that out. Recipe is also available over at platedandpours.com without any type of ads that you gotta scroll through to get to the recipe, so enjoy that one. We're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, about a tablespoon and a half of garlic. I did like 5-6 cloves, rough chop. It's gonna cook for 90 minutes. 3 bay leaves, a teaspoon of Worcestershire, and just a bundle of thyme that we tied off with a knot here, so just like that. All right, we're gonna get this covered and let it simmer for 60 minutes, and then we're gonna get the rest of the ingredients added in, let it go for about another 30 to 45. All right, you guys, it's been 1 hour. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, that smells freaking amazing. You guys are gonna love this. Andrea, how's it smell?
Smells amazing in here.
Yes, it does. You guys are gonna love it. You might notice I got the sous vide machine out. We're actually shooting another video today as well, which is potato soup. Super potatoey, bacony, cheddary. You guys are gonna love that one. So be sure to like and subscribe, follow on Facebook, and check out the potato soup video. We're gonna add the carrots and the celery. Let this go for another 30 minutes. Check and see how fork tender the carrots and celery are. We'll go from there. All right, you guys, now that we got the carrots and celery added, we're gonna go ahead and pull this chicken out. And we're also gonna pull the bay leaves out as well as the thyme. And all we're gonna do with this chicken is cube it. And we're gonna let it go with the celery and carrots for the last 30 minutes here. And it should be good to go after that. Oh man, this chicken's already falling apart, you guys. It's so good. Absolutely. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of this chicken pulled out and we'll get it cubed and add it back in here. All right, you guys, we got the chicken out. All we're gonna do is just break this into bite-sized pieces. It's super tender. Oh my gosh. Now, if this is too hot for your hands, you could put hot gloves on underneath and then put the gloves on. Or you could just give it a nice chop like this and like that. And just add it back in. So it is pork tender without a doubt. And it is going to be delicious. All right, I'm gonna break the rest of this up, get it in there. And in about 30 minutes, maybe 45, we're gonna add the pasta, finish it off a little bit of garnish between green onion and parsley. We're gonna get it plated, we're gonna try it. Let's go. Oh man. Ooh, buddy, that smells good. Oh, you guys are gonna love this. All right, so I just took it out the heat. It was on the heat for about 45 minutes. And the carrots and the celery are perfect. We're gonna add some green onions and some parsley just to finish it off. Just like that. All right, let's get this pasta added, yeah? And all we're gonna do now is stir this in, put a lid on it, and let it set for 15 minutes. Man, would you look at that? It looks freaking incredible. What do you think, Andrea?
That looks really good.
Should we dig in?
Yep.
Let's go.
That broth has a ton of flavor.
Mmm.
It's really good.
You guys, this is what you got. Flavor, and I mean flavor, right out the gate. Instantly hits your taste buds the second it hits your mouth. It is delicious. That chicken is so super tender, and that broth, man, that broth is super duper good. Well, Andrea, what are your thoughts?
That's really good.
All right, there you go, guys. You gotta make this one. Until next time, ciao. That broth.
That broth is amazing.